I'm David Grinspoon. I'm a astrobiologist and planetary scientist at the Planetary Science Institute in Tucson, Arizona, although I work out of Washington, D.C. And I'm a co-investigator and the theme lead for atmospheric composition on the Da Vinci mission. Venus has been a long-standing interest of mine, and in particular, the astrobiological potential of Venus is something I'm really interested in. Now, that's not the same as the biological potential of Venus. So, even if Venus is not inhabited and has never been inhabited, it's still a very important target for astrobiology exploration in order to give us a perspective on the evolutionary possibilities on rocky planets. Venus most likely once had a warm, habitable ocean, although we don't know this for sure. And this is one of the main goals of our upcoming exploration, of course, is to determine, did Venus have an ocean and how long was that oceanic phase, and how was the water lost, and if there ever was life on Venus, is it possible that it evolved to inhabit the cloud niche, which is another fascinating possibility, that the clouds of Venus, even today, might possibly be a habitable environment. So I'll talk about all these possibilities. I'll talk about a little bit about the history of ideas about habitability on Venus, focusing on water, the sources and loss mechanisms for water, and then talk about the upcoming missions to Venus, in particular the Da Vinci mission, which I'm very involved in, and how we'll use those experiments to hopefully really understand a lot more about the past and maybe present habitability of Venus, and how our evolving understanding of Venus will really help us also as far as assessing the habitability of exoplanets and understanding in general the potential for rocky worlds in the solar system to host life.